Hello children, today's topic is stay safe. Okay, so I'll tell you how you have to be safe when you come across the things around you. So whenever you go out, first of all, when you go to park to play and all, okay, when you want to swing, you like swinging, isn't it? So be careful children. Whenever you want to swing, you can sit and swing, no need to stand and swing. Okay, if you stand and swing, what will happen? You will slip yourself, your leg will slip and you will fall down. So here you have to be safe. Okay children, next one. So see the children how they are running down the stairs and how they are pushing themselves and coming. So never, should never do like this children. Whenever you come down the stairs, you have to one by one take a distance and you have to down the stairs. Okay, don't push yourself one by, so that there is a risk of falling down and hurting yourself. So here also you have to be safe children. Okay, next one is, the third one is the bus. Okay, whenever you go to school children, you go to school by bus. Some children go to school by bus, some go in own transport. So if they go on a own transport also, like car, auto and all, so see children, when you go like this, you should not peep out of this window. It is very risky children. Whenever you come out like this, totally this boy is coming, half of the body is out of the window children. See, it is very risky children. Don't do like this, because if you do like this, what will happen? The back vehicles, whenever the vehicles which will come back from this side, what will happen? They hurt you, isn't it? This is also very risky. You have to be safe. Whenever you are in the bus, you have to sit on the seat itself only. You should not peep out of the window. This is wrong. Okay, you have to be safe here also. Next, in the kitchen also, if you want to something to eat and all, you should ask your mama. If the some things are very high, mama will keep very in the cupboard and all, it cannot reach you. See this child how she is doing. This is also not safe children. Okay, she's taking the help of a stool and all. She's climbing the stool and she wanted to take all these candies and all. So this is not good children. You should not do by your own self. Okay, it is also very problematic. This, you are at a risk of falling down. If you are at risk of slipping yourself from here, from the stool. Okay, you should ask your elders, anyone in the home. You should take the help of them, and you can take the things which are not which you cannot take by your own. Okay children, here also don't do this type of things. You should be very safe children. Okay, now see here, these boys, what they are doing, they are crossing the road. They are doing a zebra crossing. Okay, here they are safe, because whenever there is a zebra crossing, whenever the traffic light is green in color, and when all the vehicles stop here, these children are moving from this side to that side using this zebra crossing. Here they are safe children. So whenever there is a green signal, whenever you go out in a traffic and all, when you find a green signal, then you have to stop yourself. If you want to cross the road, see that the green signal is there, then only you have to cross the road. Never cross the road when there is a red signal. Okay, that is not safe. Okay children, so stay safe, stay healthy and all. Okay children, bye. Hope you like this video. uh, Thank you so much children. Bye.